Okay. Thank you. The first one we will look at is by a student called Inada Tatsuhiko, and it's about screw-type combine harvesters. Get loss damage for crops. Okay. So, Professor Chen, would you like to lead off with comments?
Basically, after reading of this abstract, I feel the background and the problem are too long. Could be much as introduction, and it's better to also to follow the structure of the introduction material and results in discussion. And also keywords are needed.
Okay. Professor Yan?
Yes, I couldn't find the research objective on the end of the introduction. So probably, Inada-san, you may think to add a sentence to states that what it's going to do in this paper.
Okay, thank you. My comments is similar to Professor Chen and Yen's comments. I found the introduction quite good. Where I would have liked to have seen more details is how they actually tackled the problem identified and some of the technical results going through from that. So at the moment it reads more like an introduction without any follow-on through what occurred after they thought about the problem. That's my comments for the first paper.